This Thanksgiving, indulge in the perfect side with my roasted, beautiful butternut squash. Now what I do, I always take a butternut squash that I love and tweak it to ways and exploit it. This one is special because it's Konkan in nature with flavors coming right out of Kokum. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. Into a bowl, I've cut 4 large nuts, that's the butternut, into large chunks. And I love the color of this, it's so beautiful. Into that, I'm going to flavor it with a tablespoon of dehydrated rosemary from my garden, about 8 dehydrated red chillies cut into slivers, and lastly about 12 cloves of garlic. This is simple ingredients accentuated with some Szechuan pink peppercorn sea salt. And lastly, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, about 10 to 15 mils. Just give all this a good tossing. Now you want some nut magic into this, so about 100 grams of walnut kernels going in. A quick toss and onto a tray it bakes. Into a preheated oven this goes at 160 degrees centigrade for just about an hour, and the magic happens when we take it right out. Now the beauty about this creation is that any leftover works really well with some spaghetti. Hot out of the pan, you want this to infuse with the kokum. So I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl. About 30 grams of kokum just cut into shards going in between. And you want the kokum to release all that tart flavor with the heat. Loads of kokum going on top. A quick tossing. Enriching it further with a drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil, just about 4 to 5 mils. And we are ready to dig right into this creation of mine. The beauty about this nut, that's the butternut, is that this creation of mine forms the basis to many different creations. You can take this, puree the entire thing, and if you're a soup person, indulge in one of the most fantastic butternut and kokum flavored soup. I hope you enjoyed creating this one. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note